dentists, are you thinking of taking your dental career to Australia? Well, you have made the right choice. Let me tell you why. Australia offers amazing career opportunities for dentists with an average annual salary of AUD 1,49,448 with more than 300 current job openings with more than 1,85,000 skilled visas available, and top of it, Australia is known for its amazing work-life balance. So why not? So how do you become a licensed dentist in Australia? The key step is to clear the Australian Dental Council exam. Want to know more? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the valuable information for dentists aspiring to move abroad. Now let's start with the step-by-step process to become a dentist in Australia. Number one comes the initial assessment. The first step is getting your dental degree assessed by the Australian Dental Council ADC. If you have a degree from outside Australia, you will need to submit documents like degree certificate, academic transcripts, proof of identity. Once the ADC verifies your qualifications, you can move on to the next step. Number two is ADC Written Exam. After the initial assessment, you must pass the ADC Written Examination, which is a computer-based test that assesses your theoretical knowledge of dentistry. And the best part, you can take this exam in multiple international locations, so you might need not to travel to Australia for it. Number three comes the ADC Practical Exam. After passing the written exam, it's time for the ADC Practical Examination. This is a 2-day clinical assessment that takes place in Australia. It tests your ability to perform dental procedures safely and effectively. Now comes the English proficiency test. Like many professions in Australia, dentists needs to prove their English proficiency, so you can take up exams like IELTS, PTE or OET. Make sure you meet the minimum score requirements set by the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, also known as APRA. Now come the registration with DBA. Once you clear the ADC exams and meet the language requirements, you must register with the Dental Board of Australia through APRA. This is a mandatory step before you can legally work as a dentist in Australia. Next step is finding a job. Once registration is done, you are now a licensed dentist in Australia. Now it's time to apply for a job in private dental clinics, public hospitals, specialist training programs if you wish to further your studies. Next up is apply for a work visa. To work legally in Australia, you will need to apply for a skilled worker visa. Some common visa options include 491 visa, that is skilled work regional, 407 visa, that is training, 494 visa, that is skilled employer sponsored regional, 482 visa, that is temporary skill shortage. Each visa has different requirements, so make sure to choose the right one for your situation. So that's it guys, the complete step-by-step process to becoming a dentist in Australia. Do you feel ready to take on this new journey? Yes, you can do it, you guys. And to make your journey easier, join our ADC preparation course and pass the ADC exam in your first attempt. If you still have doubts, any queries, any questions, no worries. Book a free 101 consultation and get all your answers through our ADC expert. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this with your fellow dentist friends. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, this is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.